If your nose feels tingly in the cold, you're not alone. Millions wonder why sneezing seems worse in winter. Here's what science says. Here's the AI breakdown. Research shows that when you breathe in cold air, the immune cells in your nose slow down. These cells normally zap viruses fast, but in chilly weather, they're less active, so germs get a head start. That's why sneezing and sniffles spike when it's cold out. Scientists call this your body's thermal immune response. So yes, cold weather really does make your nose more vulnerable. What other weird body reactions should AI explain next?